Okay, so today we're going to try to expand on the simplifying radicals that we did the other day. All right, first of all, if we have the square root, let's do this of 81. All right, if we have the square root of 81, naturally right away we know that 9 times 9 is 81, so that's going to be a 9, right? But what if they say the cube root of 81? Well, that's going to change things a little bit. So let's come back over here to look at this. Now we know that 9 times 9, I'm going to do the factor tree for 81 to see what happens. That's not a prime factor, is that? That's not prime. 9 is not prime. So I'm going to come and do 3 times 3, and then right here, 3 times 3. Now all these are prime, so I'm going to leave it be. All right? Now, so I'm going to come under here, and I'm going to say, all right, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, because there's 4 of them. But we wanted a cube root, so that means we want sets of 3. Oh, well, there's one set. So that's going to bust out and become a 3 out there. That's a lot of 3s. And a 3 left in there. Okay? Not terrible? All right, well, let's try another one that looks a little bit different. Let's do the cube root of a to the 5th power. All right, we know that there's 5 a's in there, so I can rewrite it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we're looking for sets of 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So I'm pulling one of these out, and then how many's left over? Oh, 2. Okay? All right, so that's one way to look at it. There's another way to look at it as well. We can go back to the theory that when you have the square root of a number, it's really just a fractional exponent. What? All right, look right there. X is to the 1st power, right? So that's your numerator. The radical has understood 2 right there, so that's your denominator. So it's x to the 1 over 2. All right, this one is going to be a to the 5 is in the numerator, and the denominator is the root. Okay, well, that works its way down to, you can say 5 minus 3 equals 2 right there. So that means you're going to have an A already out front because there's just one set of 3 A's in there. And there's going to leave you with 2 left in there, left out of there. All right, it's a way to think about it. I know if you're sitting there thinking, I don't understand what she's talking about. That's fine. Just keep doing this way. E's okay. All righty. What we're going to do with this, we're going to use this in a minute. We're going to do operations like we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. But what you want to make sure you do is you simplify your radicals as low as they can go first. All right.